Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inserting Ableton's compressor on the track you want to control. Set the sidechain input if you need an external trigger, otherwise leave it off. Choose RMS for smoother level detection or peak for fast transients, because that choice changes how quickly the compressor reacts. Once done, lower the threshold until gain reduction meters move. This is the first real sign it's working. Make sure you've set the track gain to a healthy level before dialing attack and release. Now you refine how the compressor shapes sound. Set attack fast to catch transients or slower to let transients breathe. This affects punch and clarity. Choose a ratio, 2:1 for subtle control, 4:1 for noticeable leveling, and higher for peak limiting because ratio dictates compression intensity. Then set release to sit with the tempo, shorter for tightness, longer for smoothness. Once set, engage the listen or sidechain view to observe detection, and make incremental tweaks while the loop plays. Finish by compensating volume with makeup gain so the track remains balanced in the mix. Your ears decide if gain reduction sounds natural. If you want parallel compression, blend with the dry/wet control for density without losing transients. Once done, bypass the compressor to compare before and after. Make sure tonal balance and dynamics feel right. If you hear unwanted pumping or breathing, reduce the ratio, lengthen the release, or switch detection mode. These fixes usually resolve common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.